Hi, my name is Dr. Alexander Ash here at Studio Dental, and I want to talk to you about implant-supported dentures. If you're a patient that already has a denture that always has to come in and out, and you're tired of this old traditional type of technology, then an implant denture is great for you. Here's a model of a patient where you have 4 implants that are placed into the jawbone. And we go ahead and make you a prosthetic that has these little snappy abutments, just like the ones that you would see on your shirts that snap open and close. And these would go ahead and snap right into place, locking your denture into position. Another type of prosthetic that we can make is a denture where you place multiple implants into the jawbone, and then you go ahead and fabricate a prosthetic, and that prosthetic is screwed into place and it's permanently fixed, which doesn't come in and out of the mouth. By having these implants in your mouth, you'll be able to prevent bone loss, you'll be able to better chew and eat your food, and third, the quality of your life will go up significantly. We use the best technology to create these dentures. We use a CT scanner, we use an intraoral scanner, we use the best labs to go ahead and combine all of these things to produce the best prosthetics that fit your mouth, improve your bite, improve your look, and give you a better quality of life.